I'm feeling it. I'm feeling really good. You know, it might be. Look, it took 3 tries the first time. This is our second one this go around. So, all right. Hey everyone, this is Al here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. I'm here to show you our bike of the week. Right now we have a 2026 CVO Street Glide. It comes in this beautiful torched orange color featuring this one-off visor. Has our LED full fairing. We have an inverted front end on here with dual disc front brakes and Brembo calipers for excellent stopping power. This bike also comes with the carbide hand controls and foot controls. You have wonderful floorboards and passenger pegs already included. We also have the Rockfort Fosgate Stage 2 sound system front and rear on here. Over in this saddlebag comes equipped with 2 saddlebag liners already. And this one bike also includes the Pack Talk Edge system, so you can throw on your helmet and take some calls. Also feature a bike cover, so you can keep this thing beautiful. Both these saddlebags are electronic locking through your fob. We also feature on this 5 different modes. You can do the sport mode, the rain mode, the road mode, or 2 custom modes. All packed with the 121 VVT. If you want to be the baddest guy around, come down and get yourself this bike.
Wait, who are you?
I'm Al,
With?
American Eagle.